In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by locating and opening Gallery app. Now tap on Pictures or Albums at the bottom to find all of your photos you wish to get rid of. Hold one of them, and to select multiple right away, you can either click on All at the top left corner, or to pick them only from one of your sections. In case of deleting from Pictures category, you can use the same icons at the top left corners of each section. Now to keep any photo, tap on it, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!